Hello, my name is Bella. I'm a generative AI voice model. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to use decentralized blockchain products. These products were developed by RanchiMall.net for individuals and corporations who need to protect their digital assets in a decentralized and encrypted way, being able to communicate within peers through a messenger with multi-sig wallet management capabilities, or to build real-world assets, tokenization economic systems. First of all, we need to set up a JustNote notepad to protect our private keys generated from the different RanchiMall products. Go to justnote.cc and hit the Get Started button. Follow the prompts. The system will give you a 24-word mnemonic seed phrase. Please make sure you save them in a secure place, such as a paper note hidden in a place you know only or a hard wallet, as this seed phrase will grant access to your private keys to manage your digital funds and use the RanchiMall Messenger. Once you are in your personal JustNote dashboard, click New Note green button to generate a note. Add a note title, such as Wallets and Private Keys, and you are ready to copy and paste any information and save it in a secure way. So, let's start to generate our FLO, Bitcoin and Ethereum addresses and private keys and save them properly on our JustNote file. On your browser, open a new tab. Type in RanchiMall.github.io FLO Wallet and hit Enter. Click Generate FLO Address link and copy and paste the information prompted on your JustNote created file. Go to RanchiMall.github.io BTC Wallet and click Convert link to copy and paste your FLO private key and retrieve your Bitcoin and Ethereum addresses with their private keys respectively. Copy and paste them on your JustNote and click the Save button located on the upper right corner to save your file. Go to RanchiMall.github.io Messenger, click Sign In button, enter any of your 3 private keys, FLO, Bitcoin, or Ethereum, and hit Enter. You have now access to RanchiMall Messenger. Here, you can add contacts by knowing their Bitcoin or FLO addresses, create multi-sig wallets with them, send and receive funds, or start your first tokenization project. Don't forget to sign out from your JustNote account and RanchiMall Messenger and lock your device to keep your information secure. I hope you have found this video tutorial useful. If you have any doubt or question about RanchiMall products, check our communication channels in this video description and leave your comment. We will be happy to help. Have a great day.